Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best healthy dog treats that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Pet Botanics Training Rewards Flavor Dog Treats. These soft bite-sized soft treats only have 3 calories each. They're the perfect size for small dogs or for training dogs of any size. With about 500 treats per bag, they're also a great value. They come in several flavors including beef, chicken and salmon, but the primary protein in each comes directly from pork liver. The treats are made in the United States without corn, artificial flavoring, soy, or preservatives. They have a roster of easy-to-identify ingredients like potatoes and dried whole eggs, as well as a range of botanicals, including rosemary, green tea, chamomile, antioxidant fruits and other herbs that are rich in vitamins. Moving on at number 4, we have the Wet Noses Organic Crunchy Dog Treats. There are so many interesting flavors for Wet Noses dog treats. The organic crunchy bites come in more than a dozen flavor combinations like peanut butter and banana, carrot and sweet potato, or pumpkin and quinoa. The treats are all USDA certified organic and are made without corn, soy, or wheat. They contain no preservatives or fillers and stress human-grade organic ingredients instead, such as peanut butter, pea flour, and sunflower kernels. The treats are relatively large, a smidge bigger than a quarter. So they're a good size for large dogs, but can also break into smaller, crunchier pieces for training treats or for smaller pets. The interesting fruity and veggie flavor combinations make them smell good to both canine and human noses. At number 3, we have the Wellness Soft Puppy Bites. Puppies just love these salmon and lamb soft treats from Wellness. They are appropriately smelly to get a puppy's wavering attention, and you can easily tear them into tiny pieces so you don't overload your little one with treats. Each treat only has 6 calories, so when you rip the nickel-sized squares into even tinier pieces, they become really healthy choices. The treats feature lamb and salmon as the main ingredients and have no artificial colors or flavors and no meat byproducts. Salmon is rich in DHA, an omega-3 fatty acid that may help brain health. One other wholesome ingredients include carrots, blueberries, apples, and sweet potatoes. Ingredients are sourced globally and the treats are made in the US. At number 2, we have the Verbac Tartar Control Dog Chews. Made without any animal-based ingredients, these veggie dental chews have a distinctive Z shape that makes it easier for dogs to hold on to the chew while they snack. The zigzag shape helps clean all the corners of your pup's teeth. Verbac is a well-respected pharmaceutical company for animals and has many recommended products including toothpastes, toothbrushes, and oral rinses. These dental chews come in 4 sizes, ranging from extra small to large, and are for dogs from under 11 pounds to more than 66 pounds. They work to freshen your dog's breath while reducing plaque and tartar. They contain a prebiotic to help with digestion, are accepted by the Veterinary Oral Health Council, VOHC, and have a short list of ingredients. And finally at number 1, we have the Open Farm Freeze-Dried Raw Dog Food. Although meant to be fed as a meal or sprinkled on dry dog food as an alluring topper, this premium freeze-dried dog food can also be used as motivating and healthy treats. They come in soft and crumbly pieces, so they're easy to break into small bits or carry around in a pouch or pocket. The food is made of organic and responsibly sourced ingredients including humanely raised meats and wild-caught salmon. The recipes also are packed with organic fruits and vegetables such as carrots, cranberries, and squash. The food is available in 6 proteins ranging from beef and chicken to artificial flavors, preservatives, or additives. The food is relatively expensive, which is why they make good sense as a treat versus a meal. But it comes in a durable pouch, so it's very easy to reseal it and store it in your pantry. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon